is Margarita, your girl from Go Dominican Life. Today I'm in the center of town of Sosua, all within walking distance from all the bars, restaurants, and of course the beach. I'm standing on a rooftop with here behind me a wonderful jacuzzi, and I have a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath for you to see. So why don't you come on in? So guys, I think this is one to come and look at. This property is straight in town, as I said. I forgot to mention that it has a sauna, it has really low maintenance fees, and it is the right property for you. So for more information, click on the link here below to get the price and the information. Don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and don't forget to share with all of your friends. Bye!